Hello everyone, I am Julia, a senior at Denver High School, California. Today I'm introducing my research results titled A Convenient Mobile Application to Modify High Sugar Baking Recipes to Diabetic-Friendly Versions Using Text Recognition and Artificial Intelligence. Diabetes and obesity are both common chronic diseases that significantly impact people's health. While diabetes is ranked as the seventh leading cause of death, obesity results in an annual 2.8 million deaths domestically. Between 1958 and 2015, the percentage of diabetic prevalence increased from 0.93% to 7.4%, which was an increase of 21.77 million domestic diabetic patients. Since 1980, obesity and overweight prevalence have nearly doubled. Nowadays, almost one-third of the world's population is identified as obese or overweight. Both diseases require dietary constraints, especially in limitation on consuming added sugar. The daily suggested sugar intake is 24 grams for males and 36 grams for females, but the average daily sugar consumption already reached 77 grams for adults in 2016. A typical dessert usually has a higher sugar content. For example, a basic 6-inch sponge cake made with 3 eggs contains approximately 50 grams of added sugar. This highlights the potential risk factor in desserts containing too much sugar. Healthy desserts are crucial for preventing the development of obesity and diabetes and maintaining patients' health conditions. Therefore, we propose an application that can scan a baking recipe to acquire its ingredients and utilize AI to modify the high sugar recipe into a healthier and diabetic-friendly version by replacing ingredients with healthier alternatives. It basically follows 5 steps. First, it will scan the uploaded conventional baking recipe. Next, it will recognize the ingredients in the recipe and calculate the amount of sugar of the conventional baking recipe. The fourth step is to generate a healthier recipe reducing sugar using AI to replace some of the ingredients to healthier ones. And finally, it will calculate the amount of sugar in the modified baking recipe. By calculating the added sugar amount for both conventional recipes and healthier versions of recipes, the app shows the reduction in sugar. Besides, users can also save the alternative recipe in the app, allowing them to access their favorite healthy recipes conveniently. We eventually chose to develop a mobile app since it is easily accessible for users, and users can easily upload pictures of their recipes into a photo library. One component of the app is an authentication service. Firebase manages the process of logging in and signing up for the app. In addition, Firestore is used to store users' information. Thanks to Firestore, users can save their favorite baking recipe by signing in using their authentication information, and in this case, email and password, and access them directly on the home screen. Another major component of the app is text recognition. Its purpose is to recognize the ingredients in the uploaded recipe for sugar calculation and to enable healthier modifications. The scanned ingredients are then displayed on the results screen, allowing users to decide whether to save the recipe or analyze the sugar contents. Based on the sugar levels, users can choose to have a healthier alternative recipe. The program then navigates to the results screen, which displays all the ingredients and their corresponding amounts obtained from the uploaded recipe. A feature to catch errors is implemented. This is necessary because sometimes users may upload an unclear recipe or accidentally upload a random picture to the app, which can result in issues with text recognition. If such an issue occurs, a stack bar will appear at the bottom of the screen, notifying users to re-upload a clear recipe. And here is a video demo of how the app works. Here is how the app works. The user can sign up and log into their accounts using email and password. In the scanning page, the user can upload a conventional baking recipe. Let's scan a pancake recipe for a demo. The app automatically recognizes the ingredient in the recipe and provides the users with two options, to either analyze the sugar contents or save the recipe. Let's go with the analyze sugar. We can see that the app calculates the total amount of added sugar of this recipe. By clicking on the Get a Healthier Alternative Recipe button, we can see that the app replaces some ingredients with healthier alternatives and allows the users to save this recipe. We can also get a calculate the amount of total sugar if we click on the Analyze Sugar button again. We can see that the sugar amount has decreased from 38.64 grams to 20.955 grams. Yeah, so basically here is how the app works. AI is a crucial tool in the design program as it generates a healthier version of recipe by replacing high sugar ingredients with healthier alternatives. Initially, we integrated AI using Python on Visual Studio Arts and reported it, and connected it with the Flutter. However, those two platforms had an issue. The AI would only run if I open it on my end, but obviously I cannot keep it open for all the time. To solve this, I again transfer the AI code to Python Anywhere, which it runs without me opening the code at my end. It is important for the AI to function effectively since it is crucial for the main function of the app, modifying the conventional baking recipes into healthier alternatives. To assess the performance of AI, we intend to put 3 different baking recipes to generate healthier alternative recipes for each. The prompt of the AI is shown below. With this template, we expected the app would reduce the sugar amount of conventional baking recipes. The 3 recipes are recipes for pancake, chocolate cake, and blueberry pie. The amount of sugar in the conventional baking recipes and modified recipes are compared to prove the functioning of AI. Table shows that the app can generate a healthier alternative recipe reduced in sugar. By calculating the percentage of sugar reduced for each recipe respectively, which is the amount of sugar reduced divided by total sugar in the recipe, we found that the app is able to reduce the sugar contents by a range from 35.30% to 68.09%. This demonstrates that the AI templates work effectively, allowing for the replacement of some sugar with a combination of artificial sweeteners and honey. Overall, the results align with our goal since we aim to preserve the taste and texture of desserts by not replacing all the sugar. Another aspect we wanted to test was text recognition, which is responsible for identifying each ingredient in the uploaded recipe and is crucial for generating modified recipes. To assess the performance of text recognition, we prepare 5 different images as described below. Image 1 is a nicely handwritten pancake recipe. Image 2 is a printed pancake recipe. Image 3 is a printed chocolate cake recipe with units in gram. Image 4 is a nicely handwritten chocolate cake recipe. And image 5 is a blank image with no text. The accuracy of text recognition will be manually calculated as a percentage, with the number of incorrectly recognized words as the numerator and the total number of words in the recipe as the denominator. Numbers, units, and fractions are each counted as one word. It turns out that the text recognition performs better with printed text compared to handwritten text. While it accurately recognizes all the printed text, there are some slight deviations when recognizing handwritten text, with an average accuracy of 82%. However, we did notice that the recognizer tended to make mistakes when reading fractions, mistakenly interpreting the number 1 in the fraction as slashes. We found that if the ingredient units in the handwritten version are all grams, it recognizes them more accurately. The average percentage accuracy for the 2 handwritten recipes is 82%, while it recognizes other printed recipes with 100% accuracy. However, with Spacy implemented as the matcher function, it is able to recognize the ingredients even with some slight spelling deviations. One limitation of the app is that it generates only one alternative recipe. Users may wish to choose their preferred level of sweetness, for example, very sweet, moderately sweet, or not as sweet at all. But currently, they cannot express their preference. The inability of the app to generate different alternative recipes based on user preferences represents another limitation. This could be addressed by introducing an additional parameter to the AI and adjusting the prompt accordingly. And that's all. Thank you.